Hello, all my subscribers and newcomers. I'm joined here today with Sky.
Hey guys.
As we play an adventure map called Welcome to the Nether. It may fail, it may,
We're gonna die a lot, let's just say that.
I don't know if we are. Don't play on peaceful.
It says peaceful.
No breaking blocks, no cheating or using mods.
Okay.
And that's all.
Special thanks to...
And it says for fun only. Yeah.
Why not record? So,
let's go.
Oh dang, welcome to the Nether.
I can't get out of the first thing. Help.
Come on, you can do it! You can do it!
It won't let me out, really.
Come on! You can go down here to, chill. I think you can chill down here.
When?
No, you can do it! You know you died. Oh boy. Lol.
Really? Like my games, I'll be back when my game's not like.
Get out of water.
No, it's like really not letting me.
That's pretty sad.
No, it's like not letting me.
It's sad when you can't get out of water.
Trust me, it's not letting me.
Okay. Come up more. Or not. You can join.
Hit me. Yes.
You ready?
Yay, we're back. I let people stick with us, I think. I don't know if my recording was paused, but hey, you get to listen to us. Welcome to
that way.
the Nether.
You go that. I'll go this way.
I'm reading the signs.
Oh.
Put the key here. Apparently there's a key
that we have to go get, and I just fell off. I'm going. Oh, away. You can go that way.
Ow. By the way, we're not so good at parkour, so yeah.
This is an adventure map, and we'll be doing these
quite often.
Yeah, these are really fun.
Need to reposition real quick.
Ow! Really?
Oh,
really, Felicia?
My name's not Felicia, it's Felipe.
Felipe for life. My parents. So, before they moved to Australia, they had work, and there was this Mexican guy who was the janitor, and he would always stare at me because sometimes I kind of work because I know what I want to be when I grow up.
Huh?
My neighbor,
Tom, the stalker.
Yeah, duh.
No, you want to be Mr. Harry.
He was. Wait, he is my math teacher.
But you need to be Mr. Duffer.
No. You know he didn't do anything, right? It was his wife.
Yeah, because you're gonna have a wife. That's why you need to be him.
People could look it up. Well, that's where we used to live. Because if you look it up.
Yeah, we used to live there.
Don't look it up. Ah, crap. Don't look it up. Because I don't want to go back to that awful place. Oh, wait, there's water right here. Freedom! Oh.
Yeah, I may have cheated.
What did you do?
I made my own little checkpoint.
How do you make your own checkpoint?
Dang it. Ow, ow, my booty.
Get in the water.
My booties, but I'm going to get stuck again. That sound was so beautiful. I'm stuck.
That's what I did it. I got
help! No, help me! Hit me out!
Are you really stuck?
Yeah.
Wait, I can't get it. Wait, oh my god, I can't get out of the chest. Right? Okay, I'm good.
Help me! Hit me out before you continue.
I won't put in the key without you, buddy. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's how we got out the first time, just saying. Ow, ow.
That could have been a lot easier.
I have 4 hearts left.
I have.
The Nether doesn't like us. Patted that out.
Where do we put the key?
It says right there.
There. I can't see.
There was a sign there that got, but it's like, yeah.
Okay. I put the key there. Are you supposed to do anything?
Ow!
What was it supposed to do? I don't see what it did.
I think I know what it is.
What?
I think you have to parkour back up there.
Yep. Let's go. Oh god, I just lagged off somewhere. I love how, oh, for a minute I thought the nether brick caught on fire.
Ow. I have 2.5 hearts, not 3.5. I wish.
Oh crap. Don't you hate it when your mom falls into lava?
No.
So if your mom fell into lava, you would have to play on peaceful. Well, we can only play on peaceful so we can get our hunger back up because there's no way to, fill our hunger. You know what I mean? Same though, like, that's what
Ow. I have half a heart left.
if you die.
Hello, Concha. You and me.
God, I can't get up.
My waypoint.
How did you hit the ground too hard?
Cause I had half a heart and you're gonna have to hit me out of the water. Oh, or I just fall and have 3.5 hearts, you know. Same thing.
That works too.
Oh, to the creators, if they ever watch this, just saying, we broke nothing.
I know, right?
We weren't here.
Well, we probably were, but, not gonna admit it. So.
I'm up there.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, this is scary. I'll be waiting. Oh, God.
I'm here.
Take it off peaceful after. Are your hearts good?
No. What? It's not on peaceful.
Oh, we'll put it on peaceful.
We just get our hunger back up.
Huh?
This is a little checkpoint to get our hearts back up and our hunger.
My hearts are up and my hunger.
Mine aren't. This isn't cheating. This is called checkpointing.
Yeah.
Beyond record.
Okay. Up for more, don't you? All jumps are possible.
Really? Really? You have to do this? Oh, so you decided to make it on the first try.
I wasn't here for that.
Wait,
So.
where did you... You have to parkour up again?
I'm stuck.
Really?
Well, looks like who's drowning today? We need to be able to set a place like wherever you spawn.
Yes, like real.
Because you'll have to do it again. Wait, what if we go on creative and set ladders or something? Like, so we don't have to go through it again?
Yeah. Okay. Be right back.
Yes, bye. Back.
Points.
Yeah, we set some points.
What is this?
What is this?
Food! I want the beef. I want the apples. I got all the beef because my name is Tyrone. Tyrone, are you there?
Wait, what if we die with it? Don't get too much. I just have 10 apples, not too much.
Thing. Really?
The first jump's easy.
No, it's not. I have...
It's just the third jump. Mommy. Ow. I have 2.5 hearts.
Okay.
We may have to put ladders at the start because if I keep getting stuck, then, because that's not fair. I can't help it.
Really? I can't.
Oh, I just jumped into lava. Okay, we will be back again.
We will.
We is back and better than ever. Okay.
Yes.
Oops.
Yeah. Yes, we is.
Let me get a little bit of everything.
Ah.
Yeah, but better than ever, I mean worse than ever, because, oops, I am so sorry.
Stop. You're mean.
I am
You're a bully.
Sky, I'm so sorry.
You're a bully. What the heck? Why is there so much water?
Ow, ow, ow. Tyrone died.
It's okay, because when you come down there, you make... Yes, let's not check the nether portal. Doesn't have water in it.
Yes, it does.
Because you have your special water problems. But you can't get out.
Ow. Ow.
Because Tyrone cursed you.
Ow.
For your looks. Do you think your skin's unique?
guess.
If you see people with my skin, just remember that they stole it from me.
Yeah, I made my skin.
Same, like, you can tell, like, I'm the kind of person, don't come up here yet. Don't hit me.
I'm not. Okay, the third jump is impossible. The first two are pretty easy. Like, you know, goofing around, fine. But then you go to the third one, it's like, what is that?
But what are those? Too bad. You know what? Maybe there wasn't a receipt. Oh! I completely just went into the lava. Wait, look at me. Wait, let me see your
Looks like
screen.
you're having fun.
Oh, never mind. I'm fine. You look so scared.
Oh God, no! I made it!
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Can I breathe?
No. See, I died. Stop breathing. God. It's not like you're gonna die if you don't.
I'm probably gonna be the first one to make it because you're having trouble with the second jump.
No, I can do the second jump. It's just I was accidentally in fourth mode. What are those? Should I kept the receipt?
Ow, ow, slowly burning. This girl is on fire.
Slowly burning. Really, Megan?
What?
Oh God.
Hey, I guess we're just hot.
Same. I don't need the lava. Guys, you wanna know what my real name is? Unicorn. I'm half unicorn, half human. My dad was a motorcycle.
Did you say my dad was a motorcycle?
I'm gonna say he was a unicycle.
Oops, wrong place. Nope, go back over there. No, 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 no. I wasn't there. This is like impossible. We'll have to cut this into 2 parts probably.
Yeah.
I'm at 13 minutes. What you at?
12.
I thought it was nice.
Wait, I was paused the whole time. Just kidding.
Really?
YouTuber humor.
Yeah, it sucks when you do a video. Like, that's happened to us so much.
It sucks how we only get like a few views and no, like we deserve 1 million. Like we try really hard. We're saving up for a blue snowball.
Are you sure we are?
Well, I'm saving up for. What are you saving up for?
A desk.
If you go to my house and take it.
Yeah, we need to get your house some internet.
Wait, I forgot about my house. Am I going to sell it, or is it just sitting there? Girl, that's what I'm asking. Like, did we sell our house? Like, I'm confused. Yeah. No more house.
Pretty sure you did, because, you know, a trip to Australia isn't cheap.
Well, I'm rich. I'm just kidding.
Are you sure you are?
I'm okay. I'm not rich, but I'm not wearing Walmart clothes.
I'm pretty rich, I'd say. Like, not like millions, just like I can pretty much get what I want when I want it.
But I'm about to say you're the only child, but that's a lie.
You're not the only. Wait, did your sister go with your parents' stuff?
Oh God, I think she's dead. Yeah, she went.
Oh, okay.
What are you gonna be when you grow up?
Me.
I am grown up. What are you talking
I want to be
about?
hot. People be like, I want to be a doctor. I want to be a nurse. It's like, what would you like to be, Daniel? I'd like to be a doctor. What would you like to be, Lucy? I'd like to be a nurse. What would you like to be, Brittany? I want to be hot. I just watched you almost die in front of me.
It's not my fault.
Hey!
I accidentally hit it.
I'll be back. Saw a pig. I just saw a pig when I
You're
loaded
mean.
in.
Please don't hit me off.
I'm not trying.
Well, next time I'm gonna hit you off.
I am dying.
I'm gonna hit you off.
I'm gonna hit you
Mama
out.
said knock you out. Like, no joke, that stuck in my head. Remember?
No.
My stomach hurts.
Good.
My arm hurts now.
Good.
Like, no joke, my stomach's hurting for like 5 seconds, and then my arm started hurting.
Are you going through menopause?
How'd you know? If you come near me, I will hit you off. Wait till I'm done. Throw me some food! Why did it just land in there? Yay!
I didn't do that!
What in the world? How did that happen?
I don't know.
Oh no, I'm good with it, but you know. Nothing. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Did you get rid of the water? When did water get in there?
I had it there and now I'm stuck. I need you to hit me out.
You know what? What if I don't want to?
Okay, it said you made it. Here, cool. Yeah.
Yay!
Okay, what the?
You totally ruined the whole map.
No, I got stuck in water again.
Same.
Okay, what? Lava maze. You wanna follow me?
I can't get in this stupid thing thanks to you.
Why?
It won't let me get in.
Oh, guess what? It sucks.
I got it.
We're gonna follow my method with
Which way did you go?
slowly walking.
So it's working.
Ow. My face is hot.
My unicorn hair is burning.
Whenever you get out, I need you to hit me. Because I'm sort of stuck. You look scared. Hey, babe, I've been waiting all day. Hit my booty. Hit me, hit me, hit me. Not backwards. Like, ow.
You're welcome.
Ooh, I like this. Find the flint and stone.
Oh god. I'll check it. Found it. I'm kidding.
Wait, what if we just walk through? Are you even sure there is a flint and steel?
Watch it be in one of those top things where you can't even get into it. It is.
It was?
I think it is in one of these top ones. Sorry, I had to break them because you can't get in. Are you in there? No.
You in there? No.
You in here? No.
Just break all of them.
You in here? No.
No. No.
Aww. You have it? Oh. Okay.
I'll check the bottom ones. You check the tops.
Sorry.
Ow.
Oh, you see me in the way when I'm trying to tap. How about we just walk through?
Find your exit. I can't feel my face when it's against paintings.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
Are we for real doing this?
I like this one.
Found it.
Where?
Right here. Choose your path. I'll take this one. You take the other one. Wait,
I want to take this one.
I'll take this one. Is it the right one?
I think. Good answer. The answer is always right. At least I think that's what it says. Ah. Don't you hear that sheep?
Yes, I do.
Ow.
Yay.
Tap, tap, ow, ow. I'm on fire.
Stop cheating.
If we haven't already cheated this map, then I mean, I don't know what cheating is.
Well, it's when you do something wrong.
Oh my god.
If something is wrong, it helps you do something. Oh God!
What? Oh, I like this.
Guess what?
Wait, if we die, we have to go back to the start.
Yep. Okay, we're gonna have to go send some more.
In a minute, if I die.
I'm trying to make it back. You know why? 'Cause I'm slowly drifting.
Slowly. Ow.
I'm at 20 minutes.
I'm at 21. Okay, we're gonna set some stuff in here. Do that kind of shiz. So, yeah. Bye. Be right back. Hey guys, so we're back. And we put it into creative. So if we fall, we don't have to go all the way back, you know, just back to the start.
Yep, and creative. So we're now gonna like fly. I'm only gonna fly, you know, to get back to the start.
Really?
Like I'm only gonna fly.
No, I just fell and I was almost there.
Good job.
Promise we won't cheat anymore.
Anymore.
Yeah.
Really? Molly.
Really? You called me Molly? How dare you call me Molly?
I almost called you your sister. Are you twins? Like, I never really cared. I didn't
Molly
know.
isn't even my sister's name.
I know. Wait, who's your sister? I'm kidding.
Myra?
Myra.
No, Jake, that's my cousin. She's gonna visit next week.
Whoa.
You've never met her.
Can I eat her?
You've never met her?
Can I eat her?
No, but you've never met her.
That's nice. I want to eat her.
You want to eat everyone.
Does she taste like corn dogs? I like when people taste like corn dogs.
You literally scared me.
Hey. Ooh, maybe you taste like hot dogs.
Try it and you won't have a mouth to eat with.
Come here. I will find a way to eat you in creative.
I broke something. I'm placing it back.
No, I broke something.
Oh.
And I don't even know where.
It was... Do you have iron bars anywhere? Get iron bars and place it right there.
Okay. Right here?
No.
What do you mean?
No. Destroy what you just
mean
placed.
right there?
No.
Fine.
I mean right here, the next jump. Where are you? Ah! Yeah, no.
Right there.
No. Yes, okay. Go back to where you were.
Oh, it's a dark hallway. I like dark hallways. That's pretty fun.
Really? At the end?
Please stop touching me with your foot.
But I like poking people. Like you eat, like eating people, I poke people. There's checkpoints.
Yes. Like servers, you can cheat and put my
Wait, so if you fall from one jump, you get to go back to that same jump?
You want to do that?
Yeah.
That would be so much. Oh.
Because I was right here. Oh, I made it. Oh, but I fell off when I was walking. Do you think that counts?
Yes.
Oh, too bad. Sorry for the long walk. Okay, let's see. Oops, I broke something.
That's great.
Yep.
I can't even get on.
It says go down here. Weapon and armor. There's some nice weapons and some nice armor. Some food and miscellaneous.
Ooh, that's nice.
I see diamonds.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I have all the diamonds. Do you think that's safe? Here, I'll put some back. We both get 2 stacks. I'm going down.
That's all I need.
Wait, I didn't read what it said.
Oh, it just said, hit all of his weak spots, the red wolves, after destroying all of his weak spots. Parkour up to his head and ignite the TNT in him, where mobs are all over his lair. Have fun anyways.
Turn it off peaceful.
Guess what?
What?
This is creative.
Oh, oops. Well,
Guess what? We can still kill him. Looks like we can have him, like... Dang.
Wait a second.
I'm trying to stop.
Let's just blow the map up, you know? I know what I'm naming my video.
How to cheat out a,
Adventure map.
Hey, look. Wait, there's a sign on top. Don't blow it yet.
What did it say?
Oh, what?
You really liked it?
What? It's lagging so much. God.
Well, we killed him.
Oh, we kind of destroyed the map. Oh my God. Look what we did. So, I'm gonna end this episode here.
I'm not.
You're not?
I'm blowing everything up.
Well. Wait, don't yet. There's something over here that seems to be red. Here lies Bob the Annoying Pig, 2015-2015. You are a nice person.
Thanks to whoever made this.
Okay, so I'm gonna end this episode here.
Okay, yep.
So
I'm pretty sure we cheated this whole thing. So.
okay, we'll see ya. And bye. Really, it's still gonna TNT it.
Whole map.
Oh Lord.
Wanna help me?
No, I don't believe in that. That's kind of harsh. But I'll set it on fire. Oh God. I think I'm gonna light one of the TNTs up.
Light them all. Phone's dying. What if we had like Demolition Fridays or something where we go and blow stuff up?
We do maps and we blow them up.
Yeah.
Okay. So
they could be called Demolition Fridays because today's Friday. So.
Well, Saturday.
Well, technically, but
We downloaded the map on Friday. And now it's Saturday. Okay, we'll see you guys. I'm gonna go. You can watch her blow up. See ya. Bye.
You still want to talk while I'm blowing up?
Yeah, sure. Oh God. Sorry.
So beautiful. Blowing up, blowing up, blowing up.
That this they said about the blow.
Yep. Well, if you want to look at what it looks like, the newly improved, I will give you a nice look. Okay, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing.
I hope the owners of this map clearly enjoyed this episode.
And yeah, stay awesome. Hopefully you would like to get this
Squee
map.
on me.
Pretty easy to
Stay squee.
to get, and we're gonna end on this beautiful neon skies holding that. So bye.